Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be going over penny stocks on the OTC markets and the NASDAQ. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. And with that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MNMD at 63 cents, ABML at 6 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, HMBL at 0.027 cents. And once you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile. For US and Canada, enter 1 plus your area code and number. For all other countries, enter country code first plus your number. Never begin the format with 00. It won't work. And SMS is the fastest way to get our alerts. Sometimes we do text-only alerts because it is the fastest way to get the alert out there. By the time you get the email, the move has already sometimes happened. So this is why it's important to be signed up with your mobile number. And with that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Right now, the actions taking place on the NASDAQ and the big board when it comes to penny stocks. On Monday, to start the week off, we had PRPO, ran 171%. It closed on the highs at 495. Whenever a stock closes on the high, you will see follow through, and we're already seeing that pre-market at 4:18 a.m. Eastern Time. The stock is already up $1.90, up 38% to 686. So we're seeing continuation. I really like this type of price action. So this gets me excited and has me up at 3:30 in the morning to start getting ready and looking at markets. So exciting times. ISNS is another one. This is a 2-day runner. It gapped up on Friday from under. It closed at 461, opened the next day at 566, closed up 41% on the day, and then we got the continuation on Monday, up another 73%. We're seeing some profit taking in the pre-market, but another one I like what I see. ICBU, this one was up 65%. Nice runner on the OTC markets. And we're going to be covering these on the site today, so make sure you check back to insiderfinancial.com to get more in-depth coverage. We're growing, going to have some new writers. So it's going to be exciting times here at Insider Financial. Got more writers, and whereas I'll be doing more looking for spending my time on research, and that's what I like. So will be allow me to have more time for research and not having to write articles and everything. Can focus on specifically the alerts. BTX, what an amazing runner. In April, this one was at 392. Yesterday ran to $80. So in just a month's time, from $4 to $80. So 20x return. So just phenomenal to see these types of runners. And again, this is happening right now on the NASDAQ and NYSE American. The penny stocks, OTC, this is right now, you just want to be accumulating, playing small. OTC, it's a little tougher right now in the OTC. But folks, this is how it was last year. Anyone that's been a subscriber for Insider for a while knows last year, first part of 2020 was great for NASDAQ and big board pennies. OTC sucked balls. And then once the summer came, we saw profit taking in the big boards. Many of the COVID runners failed to keep finding the momentum, and then we pivoted to OTC and caught the runs there. So, it's seasonal, and typically August to December is the best time for OTC. So May, June, it's more selective. When things are hot, we have a new alert every day. Right now, we're about 2 alerts a week. So still opportunities, still finding them for our subscribers. So there, you just want to make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. You don't want to miss these alerts because many of these are what we're talking about in our videos that we have covered already for our subscribers. BRN, this ran yesterday 49%. What we're seeing on the NASDAQ is these low float, low market caps running. BRN has a 3.46 million shares in the float only, $25 million market cap. ISNS, this was only just 3.17 million shares in the float. So these low floaters, the algorithms get a hold of them when there's some momentum, and they're able to really get going, and coupled with the short sellers able to make a squeeze. Another one we're looking at here, DPW. This has bounced off the $2 level, $3.20 yesterday. This is a crypto play. 8.58% of the float is short. So we like looking for these low floats and also these short plays. As you saw what happened, this was back in November. The stock was at 2, ran all the way to 11 in 2 days. So there's plenty of opportunities. It's just trying to get positioned before these moves happen. OCGN, this has been an incredible runner. They have the agreement with an Indian vaccine maker. What's going on in India. They have the worst spread of COVID in the world right now. OCGN has the exclusive license for their vaccine for the U.S. And elsewhere. So it's been proven effective. The results have been very promising. And this is why OCGN is making a run up from $6 back up to $15. Let's see what else. We talked about VYGVF the other day. This is a crypto play out of Canada. Bitcoin was up 58,000, back down to 55, but definitely off the lows of 47,000 we saw last weekend. You saw VYGVF had dipped down to 15, now it's at 23. So, again, trade smart. You don't need to trade big. There's still plenty of opportunities out there. Had you caught 15, you're up 50% right now. So it doesn't take a lot to make a lot of money right now. So just keep that in mind. HCMC took a dump yesterday, closed flat. There's some mixed news on some people had thought the share count increased. That's not the case. The market recovered. So it was smart traders were in there buying off the 0.002 level. NWBO, folks, we have one of the top biotech analysts out there, Chris Sandberg. He did a deep dive on NWBO. He really thinks that this is going to squeeze the shorts, just like BTX did. So I highly recommend you go over to insiderfinancial.com, Take a look at his NWBO article. It's in depth, 2,200, I think 2,800 words. He goes in and covers all the details. So he's one of the top ranked biotech analysts. He really knows his stuff. I leave the biotech plays to him. So again, this is a guy you want to read and follow. So we also send out alerts when he goes live with a new video, a new article. So again, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get all the updates that are happening at insiderfinancial.com. What else, folks? GGII, volatile day yesterday, dropped all the way down to a penny, but closed at 0.0285, some profit taking. We really like this one. We're going to be doing an in-depth interview with the CEO, Sandro Pioncone. So we're in contact with him. We're waiting for more updates. But this is definitely one you're going to want to own. This company's making really big moves. They manufacture hemp cigarettes. If you're familiar with what's going on with Biden going after menthols and the tobacco companies with their high levels of nicotine, GGII is a solution to that problem. So this is definitely one you're going to want updates on when we put out an update on GGII. VXRT having a nice pre-market, up 22% to 980. This is a volatile play, but we had talked about it last week when it was $6. So congrats if you caught the move. Again, there's still opportunities. We're still getting these follow-throughs on the NASDAQ, which is really, really nice to see. You know, it's been frustrating with OTC. We're seeing a lot of one and done. You know, you get a 60%, 100%, even 150, 200% move in OTC, and there's no follow through. The next day it's dumping 30, 40%. So OTC has been a little bit more difficult, but we're seeing some comeback in some plays. So for those of you that follow us and know these OTCs, you see some of these coming back nicely. So we're really happy to see that. But, that's really it in a nutshell, going through what's happening. Again, right now, NASDAQ, NYSE American is the smart play right now in pennies. OTC, buying the dips, being a little bit more patient. But again, folks, remember, you get in these, you catch these runners, you got to be booking profits. It's all about registering that P&L. So if you're booking profits, you can use that cash to buy some dips on some of your losers, and also to be able to hold on to your losers a little bit longer, because that's going to turn. I've been doing this, almost 30 years right now. I know how these markets trade, and when they turn fast. So, if you're down, just be patient. They will turn. So, take it from me, and then you'll see what's going to happen in the next few weeks. So with that being said, folks, I wish everyone a great and profitable Tuesday. Make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email, and also make sure you are signed up with your mobile number. I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video, and also remember to check insiderfinancial.com for our latest articles, and we'll be posting some new articles today from some of our new writers. So have a great day, and be coming to you live soon. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.